oh.
Sun is shining bright and wide. KK jumps up full of pride. Oh, look at my room
There are
today.
so many toys.
Toys and clothes went all astray. Blocks on bed and socks on floor. Books are hiding near the door. KK giggles, what a mess! But I can fix it, I guess. Pick it up one by one. Cleaning can be lots of fun. Truck goes here, Teddy there. Let's make space everywhere. Clean, clean, tidy up. Fill the box, don't give up. Sweep it left, sweep it right. Now the room is looking bright. Clean, clean, happy day. Messy things all go away. Shiny floor, bed so neat. KK's room is super sweet. Uh-oh, under the chair. Lost a robot hiding there. Got you, KK starts to cheer. Cleaning time is full of cheer. Mama smiles, well done, see? Your room looks great, as clean as can be. Clean room, calm and bright. Everything feels just right. Good job, KK, take a bow. Room is clean, look at it now.
Bye-bye, friends.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to Omo Kids TV. See you next time.